In this video, let's see how to create a cool sliding text effect. First, create a composition setting you need. Then, using the text editor tool, add the text you need and align it to center. Double-click the rectangle tool and adjust it just enough to hide the text. Now click on the text layer and select Alpha Matte. Hit P and create 2 keyframes with time interval you need. Now position the text just enough to hide in the very first keyframe. Then ease the keyframe if you need to adjust the velocity graph. Finally, we got a cool sliding text effect.